Hey, what's up? It's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about the biggest mistake that first-time investors make when they're getting ready to dive into real estate investing. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're talking about the biggest mistake that first-time investors make when they're diving into real estate investing, right? The biggest mistake. So before, as always, connect with me on social media, jluckyhenry.com/social, at jluckyhenry on every single social media site, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, all of that, you can find me there. Anyway, back to the video. So the biggest mistake investors make is first-time investors, is that it's not knowing what the acronym BRR stands for. It's not knowing what a cap rate is. It's not knowing what discounted cash flow is. By the way, if you don't know any of those terms I just mentioned or acronyms, I have videos on all of them. Check the description for the link, right? But the biggest mistake is not knowing the numbers. And I'm not talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not that easy. I'm talking about knowing the numbers on the deal you're doing. When you buy that deal, are you really going to make money? Do you actually know what it's going to cost to renovate that property if you're flipping, right? Or do you just have an estimate? Are you trusting someone else's estimate, or is a contractor someone you really know and trust, right? Have they laid it out for you, broken down the quote? How deep did you go? Was it a walkthrough and, oh, it'll be about this? Or did they say, hey, did you pay them a couple of bucks, right? A couple hundred for them to actually go in, measure some stuff and really look at it and see what it's going to cost to fix? If you're gonna do a rental property, do you really know what the market rates are? Is your pre-approval giving you the written mortgage out so you know exactly what you're gonna be paying and exactly what you can expect to collect for rent? Have you done that, or are you just doing your best guesswork? Like, oh, well, I would pay this much for this, so hopefully that would be great. Not knowing your numbers will kill you on your first deal, and it'll make it really hard to get to your second deal, right? Know the numbers. You need help running some comps, running some CMAs, running some estimates, or getting to see the ARV of a property, contact me anywhere in Massachusetts. Matter of fact, I can help you in a lot more states than that. Anywhere throughout New England as well, I can definitely help you take a look and run some numbers and stuff, right? Shoot me an email, give me a call, text me, whatever you need to, all right? I want to make sure that first deal you do makes sense, because if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. Be back tomorrow with another video. J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.